All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, amazing, healthy, vegan ricotta cheese. It's packed full of protein and it tastes absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for you guys to try out this recipe. So here are the ingredients. We're going to need 1 brick of extra firm tofu. We're going to need 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, which is going to give it that really nice cheesy, nutty flavor. We need 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews, and we need a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Fresh is best, but you can use bottled if that's all you have, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of Italian spice and a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to get started with my extra firm organic tofu that I have here. You can see that's 350 grams. I pressed it just for a few minutes. Now I've got my cashews. I'm going to put them in a bowl and I'm going to get some boiling water. And I'm going to soak these in boiling water for 10 minutes. You can soak them overnight in water, but this is the express version because I never remember to do this ahead of time. So while those cashews are soaking, you can get everything else together, then get out a food processor or a high-powered blender. I used my food processor for this, but it works a lot better if you have a Vitamix or something like that. I usually make this in the Vitamix, and that is what I'll be doing going forward. So I've added in my cashews, my nutritional yeast, my salt, my Italian seasoning, and next I'm going to add in my tofu. So that's what makes it super high in protein. We get a little bit of protein from the cashews, but primarily we get a ton of protein from the tofu, which is amazing. Now I'm going to add in my lemon. I'm going to start fresh squeezing some lemon juice in here. I'm squeezing it right over top, but you do want to measure because it is going to affect the flavor. So you want to make sure you're actually getting 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice or even bottled lemon juice. And now I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cold water just to help this blend up. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to start blending this up. Now, if you are working with a Vitamix, you might have to use your little stirring stick to push it down on the side. And as you're blending it, you'll see like, yes, it's starting to blend. It might get a little stuck because it is pretty thick. We do want this to be thick since it's like a cheese. So you can just scrape down the sides and turn the blender back on. You can do that a few times until you get it to be that nice, smooth, and creamy texture. Now, if it's not super smooth and creamy, if it's under blended, there are just going to be some little cashew pieces in there, which isn't terrible, but it won't taste quite as much like cheese. Now, this can be used in anything that calls for ricotta, like any recipe. So you can use this in your lasagna, you can use it, on a crostini, you can use it as a dip. It actually makes a super amazing dip or appetizer. Anytime you need a vegan ricotta, you can absolutely use this. You can make it ahead of time, and it stores in the fridge for up to a week in an airtight container, and it is just amazing. I absolutely love having this as a dip or just a spread on crackers, and it's also perfect for lasagna or involtini. That is so good. I absolutely love this vegan cheese. I'm so excited for you guys to try this, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.